Welcome back. Now let's have a look at the other events happening in the state.
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo celebrated his birthday on Tuesday. On this peak day, Michael, along with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, laid foundation stone for a bridge from Arpora to Kalangut, road widening and beautification of Saligaon to Kalangut, and inaugurated a bus for ladies from Kalangut to Mapsa.
5 crores estimate as a bridge. म्हाका दिसता 6 to 8 months कंप्लीट जावपाचो आहा आनी इज द ट्रॅफिक म्हणटा पळय तें इतले व्हडले हिंगा 1 किलोमिटराचे लॉंग बोथ द सायड्स वेनिसडे फ्ली मार्केटाचे दिसा आनी सॅटर्डे नायट बाजार जेन्ना जाता 1 किलोमिटर लॉंग लायन्स व्हेहिकलांच्यो हिंगा ट्रॅफिक जॅमान उरताल्यो.
जे आतां आमी नाल्ल फोडल्या त्या नाल्लाचें काम 1-1.5-2 म्हयन्यांनी चालू जातलें. ताणें हांगा जे 500 कोटी न्हय तें it will go up to anywhere up to between 13 crores to 18 crores because थंयच्यान ते त्या तोका पर्यंत फक्त रस्तो ना तो एक लॉंग टर्म ह्या एरियेक डेव्हलपमेंट करून दिवया ताची गॅरंटी हांव दिता. 1.5 म्हयन्यान काम फुल स्विंग सुरू जातलें.
Goa Pradesh Samajwadi Party briefed media on Tuesday. They criticized BJP-led government for various issues left unresolved by the government.
आता आमची एक मागणी आसा सरकारा कडेन. ह्यो सरकारान गृहलक्ष्मी दिल्यात, लाडली लक्ष्मी दिल्या आनी खुबश्यो मॉनिटरी स्किमी दिल्यात जांचेर आमचो गोंयकार अवलंबून आसा. सरकारान तांकां डिपेंडंट करून दवरले आसा, अवलंबीत करून दवरिल्ले आसा. आमी अशें म्हणटात की तांकां अवलंबून करून दवरिचे पेक्षा तांकां एक रोजगार दियात.
Nyan Prasarak Mandal's college celebrated its 105th foundation day. Meritorious students were felicitated at the hands of Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar.
ज्या जाणट्यांनी ज्ञान प्रसारक मंडळाची स्थापना केली ती करता आसतना तांकां जे त्रास करचे पडले तांच्यांनी ही संस्था स्थापन करपा खातीर ज्यो योजना आंखल्यो त्या योजना पैकी फक्त हांव तुमकां एकूच योजना सांगता ती म्हणजे धर्मबोध.
Bureau Report Prudent.
A scientific approach to football should be evident when Depo Sports Club players step onto the field in the coming season. Depo Group Chairman and Club Director Srinivas Depo has brought about changes in this setup as he seeks all-round development in the club. Wind of change is blowing at India's most successful club. Prudent Sports Editor Neeraj Prabhu caught up with Srinivas Depo.
We have with us the director of the club, Srinivas Depo. So what prompted you to make a lot of wholesale changes to Depo Sports Club?
First of all, Neeraj, I wouldn't call them wholesale changes. I would say that there's been quite a dominant change. But at the same time, we wanted to not make such a drastic change that, people forget the flavor of Depo. So what we decided is, of course, Arman's contract had already expired. So we felt that it is now time that we look beyond him and, look at somebody who could infuse some fresh ideas into the club. At the same time, I must go on record saying that Arman did a brilliant job and made it the most successful club. But we said times have moved on. We felt the average age of the team had to go down. We needed a coach with new ideas to build our youth development ethos. We needed a coach who could then drive us to a different point, saying that, we need more number of Indian and Goan players than foreign players. So there is a growth path and there is a plan for the club. So, yes, there has been winds of change, but we have retained some of the old players because they'll get the flavor of Depo and experience. And we said we'll get in fresh blood to make it more interesting and more challengeable.
Australian coach Arthur Papas, who is, I think, 33 years old, very young for the job, considering that he is stepping into the big shoes of Arman, who won 5 league titles as the coach. So how did you go about signing him up?
When I met him, I found a few good things in him, at least the way he came across. We met for 3 or 4 times before both of us decided. One was his very scientific approach to the game. I find that very less in a country like ours, which is still, in an amateur stage in football. I found it very, very detailed planning in terms of, not just for the results, but for the stability of the game, for the consistency of the game. So I was very impressed with that approach. And I had seen this kind of approach with our team in Denmark, where I think most of the European clubs go through this. You know, strict medical tests for the players, physical fitness is of prime importance. You know, if they're injured, their conditioning, their gradual approach to recovery, all these things made it very interesting to see that, you know, finally there's some level of professionalism in the game. And I think that's what I'm looking forward to.
How much contribution is Papas making to this signing?
A lot, actually. I mean, this has been the Dempo Club approach from day one, that the management never interferes in the technicalities, in the day-to-day game. We just set policies, we set budget, and I think Papas has a lot to do, and he's the one who strongly believed that we should not make any drastic change to the players. We should retain some of the old players who have a lot of commitment, who have a lot of contribution to the game, and who will display the talent of Dempo, and will pack in some new players, so that could be an ideal combination.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.